I'm gonna show you how to install Zoho apps on your PC. So to get started, you have to go to zoho.com, or you can redirectly find the desktop link or download link. For example, go to Zoho Mail. You can go to Zoho Click or Zoho CRM. So for me, I'm just gonna go choose the Zoho Mail desktop app. So to get there, you just have to press or type in zoho.com/mail/desktop. Then from there, you just have to click on download for Windows and then select your bitrate on your computer. So I'm just gonna click on 64-bit, and then after that, once it downloaded, you just have to click on the file and then click on install, and then wait for it to install. And then once it's done installing, you just have to click on finish, and then right after there, you just have to open the application, and then from there you can just launch the application and sign into your mail. And that's how to sign in or download Zoho apps in your desktop.